What's up, Lego builders, and to my fellow Lego Stars enthusiasts, I'm JesBricks, and today guys, in this vlog, we are going to take a look on my experience ordering from BrickOwl, the famous alternative of Bricklink. As you guys know or don't know, Bricklink, among others, banned the Philippines alongside 35 other countries, if I'm not mistaken, from doing business with Bricklink. Why, you might ask? We don't know, nobody knows. Bricklink hasn't released any official reports of the incident. In my case, that is a huge loss because I don't have any reliable source of getting used parts or new parts for my MOCs. Because guys, if you know me, I'm the type of person who does MOCs in a regular basis because I just love Star Wars that much, and I rather prefer doing my own creations rather than, spending a fortune on new Lego Star Wars sets. So that's been the issue so far. So in this particular scenario, this is my first time ordering from BrickOwl. The store that I ordered from is called JesBricks. Upon my research, JesBricks is one of the largest, if not the largest, seller of used and new parts on BrickOwl. And I think they are large on Bricklink too. You guys may correct me down in the comment section below. If not, without further ado, let's see what I got from them, because I'm so curious if I got the right parts. And of course, I'm so excited for showing my personal experience in ordering parts from BrickOwl the first time. So without further ado, let's see what I got. So guys, tearing this bad boy open, they pack things really delicately with the huge fragile sticker right there. So you can see there's a warning, choking hazard. So guys, as you can tell, this is really not a large order. It only costs around 22 to 30 US dollars, if I'm not mistaken, because I'm just, initially trying the experience first before ordering large parts for my new MOCs in the future. And this is my first time ordering. So guys, everything is included in a Ziploc bag, which is nice, and everything is nicely sorted in their own respective Ziploc bags, which is very nice of JesBricks for doing. First up, we got some nozzle pieces, which I found in their shop, and it's pretty reasonable priced. I'll be using this in a future MOC. Next up, we got some orange modified tile pieces, grill pieces that I can use on improving the play scale model of the Death Star that I recently got, the UCS version from 2016, which I'll be improving this incoming weeks to create a new video that I can showcase to you guys. Next up, we got another set of grill tiles. This time around, it's in the light bluish gray color, or in BrickOwl, it's called the medium stone gray, which I believe is the same terminology that Lego uses on their website for naming this type of piece. This is, I believe, 250 pieces in quantity. So next up, we got this green laser antenna pieces, or so, if you can call it that, which I'll be using on the 2016 UCS version of the Death Star that I recently got. When we were transporting the Death Star from the seller's location back to my home, back to my house, unfortunately, some of the pieces fell out during the process, so that's why I needed to replace the laser dish pieces of the Death Star. I believe around 2 of these are missing. I ordered a bunch from the seller because I really wanted to maximize the shipping cost, and there's that story. Next up, in the same lot, we got this transparent neon cylindrical 1x1 piece, and next up we have this weird Technic piece with 4 clips on all sides that I'll be also using in the 2016 Death Star. Unfortunately, due to a speed bump, this particular piece in the Death Star cracked, so thus I needed to replace them. And lastly guys, we got a bunch of extra blasters, and also we got a cape piece which has a bit of a damage, which the seller was open about in disclosing in the listing for this particular piece, which I'm completely fine with because I'll just put them in, then I'll not remove it from the minifigure ever again, so I believe that it will do fine. And guys, that's it in terms of the parts. Now let's move on placing the missing parts of the Death Star back in the Death Star, because that is also the main reason why I ordered these parts, is to try BrickOwl, and secondly to order the missing parts of the Death Star. So basically everything went fine. All of the parts are segregated in their respective Ziploc bags, and it's pretty much a normal ordering process, as you can expect from Bricklink. But this time around, it's from BrickOwl, and I believe that the experience from both BrickOwl and Bricklink is the same. You really don't need to worry about the parts breaking during shipping, because from my experience, the seller really packed the items really nicely. Now let's move on placing this in the Death Star. The struggle is real. So, as you can see, the laser dish portion of the Death Star is missing a piece. So basically, this is it. So we will be replacing the missing piece right now. And there you go. And next up, we have this particular piece here. This Technic piece with 4 clips attached to it, cracked during shipping. So I can't really show it to you because it's so subtle and small. I just glued it into position because I really don't know where to source this part, because you know Bricklink banned the Philippines and I couldn't just order it from Bricklink, and thus I tried BrickOwl and now it's here. So I basically have the right piece to replace this one, because this particular Technic piece here is not really that common here in the Philippines for some reason. Thus it's very hard to replace. But luckily there is BrickOwl to the rescue, and now we can replace it easily by doing so. As you can see, it's so loose in there, so I believe that this particular piece here has a problem from the first place. There's a crack right there. I don't know if it's visible to the camera, but it's there. I just used super glue to glue it back into position. Now we can replace the entire piece. Put the Technic pin back into position, and then place it back into its original location. As you can see here, as you can see, the new part really improves things by a lot. It clicks the pieces back into position better than the previous one. So there it is, guys. Next up, let's add the missing blasters from the rack here at the back of the robotic arm. As you can see, it also went flying during our drive home. Now we can replace them. Okay, let's put the blasters in. 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one. So there you have it. Now let's place it back into position. And let's place the robotic arm back to its original place. And now I can use it to grab crates like it was designed to do. Like so. Now guys, everything is fixed in the 2016 UCS Death Star that I have here. I'm so relieved that it's now fixed. And yeah guys, so overall ordering parts from BrickOwl, it's pretty much the same as ordering from Bricklink. And I'm so stoked that it is that way. On ordering from BrickOwl, I suggest that you guys boost your confidence by a bit, because their service is really good. Sellers are really great. They really do respond to your inquiries and questions and whatnot about shipping fees and etc. And in my personal experience, other sellers can also adjust your shipping costs based on what you ordered. If you ordered really small and intricate items, I believe that they can adjust it based to that, so that the shipping costs won't blow up. It's a really good experience overall. And so guys, that's been pretty much it. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to leave a like. Comment all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. What are your personal experience from ordering on BrickOwl? And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, since we got a lot more similar contents like this one uploading soon in the channel. This is JesBricks. Don't forget to stay creative. Peace out.